Been working on these front control arms. They're 1.5 Ford, high clearance from Super ATV. Just put some Monster Performance ball joints in there. They're not the best ones, but they're rebuildable, greasable. So I had to go get a couple other bolts. How they have those front lowers in, it's going this way, the bolt is, and then the nuts on the back side of it. So I would have to take off all the front bumper rad, relocate, a couple other shields and stuff. So I went ahead and just loosened it up some, then slid the bolt back this way, and then sawzalled it off. Then I'll run the bolt the other way whenever it goes back in. They got a nylon lock nut, so it'll be fine. That way I didn't have to take apart all this front end. This lower control arm's out. Going to get the upper control arm off, put the bushings in it, get the side switched up. Some new brake pads I'm going to throw on the front here. So that'll be done. Get those on there. Tomorrow he's got some new floorboards coming. And I need to do the right rear axle. Band came off, allowed a bunch of mud and stuff to get in there. So I got my factory one from my Outlander. I'm going to stick on there. I'll clean it up, put new bands on it, so I'll still have that one as a spare. I got the little band kit now. That way I can reband them and make them tight, waterproof. But I'm gonna get back on this and then pick you guys back up whenever I get it together. Starting to look really, really badass now though. Those other two tires there. All right, pick you guys back up in a little bit. Got his STM clutch. Got his white secondary spring in there. About to put it on the, get the torque wrench on it, get it to specs, and throw the belt on there. And throw some clear silicone around the belt box just so we know it's not gonna leak. Then I'm gonna take it for a little rip, see what she does. What do you think, B?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna get some, throw some mud?
Yeah.
Be able to hit them thick mud?
Yeah.
Some digs, bruh.
Yeah.
All right, I'll pick you guys back up in a little bit. Well, got them on there. Upper and lower control arms. I don't think it did much of a, didn't make it much taller. I think it made the bottom more of a gap in between the two, but it's definitely moved them forward though. I have to get it outside tomorrow and get some better video, but it's definitely forward. So there's going to be a lot of room in the floorboards now. I bought shortened floorboards. It didn't need the forwards, but since I already got them, it'll be a little bit longer wheelbase. Looking good. I'll get it outside tomorrow. I got floorboards to come by the afternoon. So get those on. Gonna probably pressure wash it first, and then I'll put the floorboards on. Go over it, greasing all the bushings. That way it's all ready. And yeah, it'll be real. Well, I do gotta change that rear axle still. Need to do that tomorrow. That way his is completely done, and then I can just finish up the few little things on mine, so that way we're all ready. Still gotta load up all the trailer and get everything else ready. But all right, well, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and peace out.